If you want to connect Mailchimp to Google Analytics, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can link your accounts properly and track your marketing activity more effectively. This is really useful if you want better reporting, improved campaign insights, and a clearer picture of how your email traffic performs once it reaches your website. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign into the account you want to connect. Once you're inside Mailchimp, look for the Integrations section. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of its connected apps and platform tools, including analytics connections. Click on Integrations to continue. Now that you're in the Integrations area, use the search bar and type Analytics, then press Enter. This helps you quickly find the Google Analytics connection without having to scroll through a long list of options. After the search results appear, click on Google Analytics. This will open the setup page for the integration. On the Google Analytics integration page, you'll see the option to connect. Go ahead and click Connect. Mailchimp will now begin the process of linking your account to Google Analytics. At this stage, you may be taken to a Google sign-in page or a permission screen, depending on whether you're already logged into your Google account. Next, select the Google account that you want to use with the integration. Make sure you choose the account that has access to the Google Analytics property you want to connect. This is an important step, because if you pick the wrong account, you may not be able to complete the setup correctly. After selecting the account, click Continue. Google will then show a permissions page. This is where you allow Mailchimp to access the information needed for the connection. Review the permissions carefully so you know exactly what access you're granting. Once you're ready, click Continue again to approve the connection process. After that, Google and Mailchimp will finish verifying the link between the two services. Depending on your account setup, you may be redirected back to Mailchimp automatically. If so, the integration should now be connected and ready to use. Once the connection is complete, it's a good idea to double-check that everything is set up properly. If your goal is tracking campaign performance, make sure your Google Analytics account is the correct one and that your website or landing pages are configured to capture the traffic data you want to measure. That way your Mailchimp campaigns will give you more meaningful reporting over time. And that's it. You've now learned how to connect Mailchimp to Google Analytics using the built-in integration steps. It only takes a few minutes, and once it's set up, it can help you better understand your email marketing results and audience behavior. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.